Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn and Grow Scientific Instruments Quiz. Get ready. What instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Barometer. Question 2. Which instrument is used to measure the intensity of light? Photometer is used to measure the intensity of light. What instrument is used to measure the speed of wind? Anemometer. Which instrument is used to measure the humidity of the air? Hygrometer. What instrument is used to measure the intensity of earthquakes? Seismograph. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye guys.